All Pulsar 4 mining personnel report to the Resource Expedition Office, Level 7. Operator, can I help you?
Phone home. Phone home.
Please deposit $6 million for the first 3 minutes. All lunar passengers, please check with passenger processing, level 3.
That's us.
Will Scraps be able to sit with us, Dad?
We'll have to check, Jimmy. It's a pretty long trip to the moon.
Hi there. Can I help you folks?
Thanks.
Oh, is that your puppy, son?
Yeah, his name's Scraps, and he's going to the moon with us.
Oh, no. No dogs are allowed on the shuttle, son. I'm afraid Scraps will have to be shot.
Scraps! He shot him! He shot Scraps! He shot...
Just joking. Blank C. Scraps is fine.
So I says, whenever you're in town, just call me.
Oh, sure.
Dinner in first class tonight will be bean sprouts and broccoli.
Fine.
And will that be Channing or non-Channing?
Channing, please. Don't worry about the Viatex account. We have a buy or sell option. We can't get hurt in either case.
Just keep on top of their legal people, Bob.
Will do.
And Bob, feed the cats.
Will do.
I'm sorry, ma'am. You're only allowed one carry-on.
Oh, all right. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Best little computer officer on a lunar mission.
Oh, Simon, you shouldn't have. I guess I'm a pretty lucky woman, aren't I?
Well, women and the space program have come a long way, sweetheart, but after the wedding, no more complicated computers for my little girl.
But, darling, they've offered me a chance to head up the computer analysis division for the Jupiter probe.
You're gonna head up the division in charge of babies for Mr. and Mrs. Simon Kurtz. That's an order, Lieutenant. Come on.
Where's the passenger processing lounge for the lunar shuttle?
Concourse Lounge C, 4th level.
Thanks.
Next.
How long is my parking permit good for?
2 hours.
Thank you.
Yes, next.
What's the fastest animal on Earth?
The cheetah. Next.
Should I fake my orgasms?
Yes.
Thank you.
Next.
This is Mission Control. We have clearance on 29er for shuttle pre-launch checks, over.
Trans Delta 6, you are cleared to descend to 15,000 and hold until further notice, over.
There's a high-pressure front moving in over Denver. Low of 56 in the valley, a high of 72 at the beaches.
The Supremes really hit the top of the charts with this really big one in the 60s, Baby Love.
I have a collect call for a Michael Reese from his mother. Do you accept charges?
This is only part of our mission control. Right here, we have a re-entry for all Earth orbit ships that's handled by the computers and simulated by these video units. Now, if you'll step right this way.
Phoenix 6, you are programmed on R29er and computer locked.
Computer lock acknowledged. Over and out. Well, gentlemen, looks like it's out of our hands, huh?
Janet, they need you in control.
Right.
Commissioner. Now, we both know that shuttle needs another month of pre-launch testing.
Forget it.
Commissioner.
I said forget about it. Mayflower is the first lunar shuttle to fly from a commercial terminal. And the boys on the board want that flight to go on schedule.
What do the boys on the board know about safety, Commissioner?
Bud, get wise to the political realities. The boys on the board are under heavy pressure from the boys downtown. A lot.
And I'll be the one they crucify if that shuttle screws up.
And G-U-T-S, guts. My tooth striker's got more guts, a little bigger than most of us have in our large intestine.